Hey biscuits, happy holidays. I'm going to do a fun one today. I want to do a Christmas tag. So I'm going to read off my screen of the questions I wrote down and answer some common holiday questions. Because you know what? Time to get back into some of our game show content that we used to do on here. Oh yeah, keep it fun. Okay, let's work. Ooh, first question. Oh, it's going to be a good one. What's my favorite holiday movie? 10 biscuit points if you remember me answering this before in other videos. Okay, I think it's 2. It's Scrooged with Bill Murray, and I think that it is The Muppets Christmas Carol. Those are my 2 favorite movies for the Christmas season. There's something that I watch every year. Yeah, those are my favorites. They're just good. They're cute. They're fun. I feel like you can watch them with family. Yeah, they're classics to me. I love those. Those are my 2 favorite. My 2 favorite easy breezy holiday movies, and I really love the ghosts in Scrooged because I think the actors that play them are really funny. Okay, what is my favorite Christmas color? Oh, biscuits. It's red. Boom, take it in. Because red makes me feel like a sexy foreign spy out to do holiday espionage. Oh yeah. I mean, I think I can go full hog, like vintage red Christmas, hoya, oh yeah, if I had the opportunity. I think that would be very easy for me to do red by far. Let me know. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite Christmas color? I've never thought about that question before, but I think it's clearly red because it's the Santa. If those of you that follow along on Patreon know that like my red outfits come out this time. Do I like to stay in my PJs or dress up for Christmas? Okay, so normally I enjoy getting to like dress up for Christmas dinner, have fun with that. Yeah, put on a little eyeshadow. This year we are not at all doing our normal Christmas. So I'm just gonna be home. I think I'm just gonna probably stay in my PJs all day, relax, take it easy. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna dress up this year. Normally I like to be in PJs a lot and then slap on a cute outfit maybe on Christmas Eve or something. Or if all else fails on Christmas Eve night, you know, wear something fun to bed. But I think this year is just mellow time because can't do all the fun stuff. Okay, ooh, this is a good one. If you could only buy one person a present this year, who would it be? I'm gonna say no one because it's lockdown. I'm not buying people presents. I don't tend to buy a lot of Christmas presents for people. I tend to make things. I'll make some art. Normally I like to bake. I like to make everybody pretty tasty baked goods. Some of my relatives don't like sweets, so I'll make them something savory, you know. I like to bake for Christmas. Yeah, have it be from the heart. My relatives can buy themselves little trinkets that I would be buying them. Yeah, that's my favorite. If it's somebody I don't know, I like to do donation to Heifer International in their name for something special. But generally I just want to bake things. So there's nobody this year that's one person that I really want to give a gift to. I feel like everybody's been equal on the Santa list this year. I'm good with that. Okay. Do I open my presents on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning? Holidays, like that's even a question. You open your presents on Christmas morning. One present Christmas Eve. Maybe something fun for Christmas Eve, you know. Yeah, totally. Those are rules. Well, otherwise, what are you doing on Christmas Day? I will say, as the mama of a kid that has some sensory processing things and can become overwhelmed by it, and I think that's honestly kids even without sensory processing, Christmas can be overwhelming. I like to spread out the gifts, so I'll go if the relatives have sent him, you know, maybe he's got a present from each relative. He's got like 6-8 presents or something. Even if they're little, I'll spread them out over a week or more so that A, Christmas lasts longer, and B, it doesn't overwhelm and then lose the magic. Yeah, but Christmas morning, that's when I like to open presents. I don't tend to get a lot of presents for Christmas. Yeah, nobody really gives me presents. Not even baked goods. Relatives give me baked goods. Low carbs baked goods this year. Oh my god, next year I'm eating so much baked goods. I'm gonna make some sugar-free brownies. That's what I need in my life. Yes, it is. Yes. Have I ever built a gingerbread house? I think you biscuits that follow along my other channel have seen my gingerbread house building catastrophes. I don't feel like the frosting glue they give you in the kits actually work. And my kid loves to eat the gingerbread houses, so I can't use the hot glue gun technique that people have recommended. So yeah, I have. It doesn't tend to go well. We made one for Halloween, and let's just say that a monster attacked it and it fell down immediately. I like making gingerbread houses though. I think it's a lot of fun. It's a fun thing to do, but it loses my attention span because everything just falls apart and I go, I don't know about that. Okay, oh, this is an interesting one. What do you like to do during Christmas break? So I don't really get a Christmas break per se. I tend to work a little bit 7 days a week. Yeah, when I do take time off, I spend it with family. I relax, I watch a movie, I might paint a little bit. Painting's one of my hobbies. This year, this is a really busy time of year for me. It tends to have a lot of work commitments. Right now, on top of that, I have a unexpected remodel thing that you've heard me talk about before that I'm trying to get done before baby comes, and it has been so stressful because it's still not done and I'm still working on it. And it was just a really unexpected thing of, a fault with the structure. Yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna really take off the holiday per se, but yeah, just try to focus on family. Life is short, that's what the days are all about, focus on family. Favorite Christmas meal or treat? I want to say Christmas cookies. I really like cookies. I like Christmas brownies, Christmas cookies. Yes. Oh my gosh. They're just really tasty. That's probably my favorite. I love my Christmas morning tradition of making fresh squeezed orange juice, French toast, big fruit salad, and scrambled eggs, and I love that. That's a really fun tradition. It's just tasty and it's yummy. I don't know if I'll do it this year, but we'll see. I think, yeah, that's my favorite treat. What am I doing for the holidays this year? I'm staying home. It's really lockdown. The country is just on fire with this COVID. Yeah, I'm staying home. I'm trying to go out as little as possible. So far we haven't even been associating with our bubble, just out of an abundance of caution. Staying home, taking it easy, and appreciating that next year's Christmas will be so much sweeter because it'll be so great to see everybody that I love and miss. Yeah, I cried a little bit at Thanksgiving because I missed family that I see at the holidays. And it's hard. It's not an easy thing to give up, but I'd rather have a really great Christmas next year than have any of us get sick. My favorite holiday beverage? Okay, this is eccentric, but it's my honest to goodness favorite one. I really like pomegranate juice with a twist, a squeeze, a pinch. My nips hurts just saying pinch. Of lime and sparkling water. It is just my go-to beverage. In fact, I need to stock up on that because I'm trying not to shop too much between now and the holidays, so that I have some of my favorite cocktail. It's hard to find good pomegranate juice, I will say. Some of it's really chalky and weird, but that's my favorite drink. Candy cane or gingerbread men? Is this even a question? Gingerbread men, I like to bite their heads off aggressively, intimidate people. No, I like cookies more than candy. I'm not a hard candy person. So that's easy. Gingerbread all the way. Yeah, baby. Oh my gosh, I should do like a naughty gingerbread thing on Patreon, like decorate them in naughty ways. That'd be hysterical. Oh. What's the weirdest gift that I've ever received? I honestly don't know. I really don't get a lot of Christmas presents. I haven't for years. I don't know. It's been a long time. I think maybe my son's second Christmas, I got a Christmas present from my best friend. Yeah, it's been a long time. I have no idea. I can't honestly answer that. No idea. I I'm really trying to think. Yeah, what's the weirdest present you've ever gotten? I'm so curious. Have you gotten like weird gag presents? I don't have family that would give gag presents necessarily. It's just like they give you, you know, an ugly sweater or something, and then you have to wear it for years on end, even if it just makes your skin fall off. My camera ran out of batteries. Okay, I replaced the battery, my loves. Let's get on with the next question. Okay, what is it? Let's see. Oh, have I ever made a snowman? Yes. I think the last snowman I made, it was with Rob, and we went up to the snow and sledded 2 years ago, I want to say it was. I think it was 2 years ago. I made a vlog about it. It's somewhere on one of these channels. I can't remember if it's on this channel or on my main channel. Yeah. So I've made several snowmen. It's quite fun. I love playing in the snow. We don't get a ton of snow here, but regularly snow, and you can drive up to the mountains pretty easily, and there's a lot of snow up there. What is the most important thing to me about the holidays? I think this time of year, finding a center of light, of celebration, and really like embracing that quiet, hygge, cozy, warmth of family time and that hibernation time. Yeah, I think that's the most important thing, is finding a center of family and light, and, you know, building up goodness, good energy, good thoughts, good love before we transition into a new year, because that's always a big transition. Yeah. Oh, boom, that was all the questions, huh? Okay, biscuits, I will see you in the next video. Hey, thanks so much for being my fabulous biscuits on here. I will see you in the next video. Quarantine hugs. Boop, boop.